sale international.
One TikTok, man. Yard sale international.
Food. Food and food, you see me?
Only man can go cook 1 3 pot of mutton and think say all is well. You know?
What you talk about, man?
Two more to go.
What you talk about? This all the pan done, you see me?
Yeah.
Pan done, me charge it. See how soup over here, so.
What go on over here, so now?
Soup, I go cook another pot, because I want to pass off, you know? I think that's normal, you see me? Outside.
Oh, good. Listen.
Fully active, man. You know, we have a yam, we have a pumpkin, we have a plant, we have a banana.
Yeah.
And we have a dumpling them. They cook till they swell, but they not cook till they bust that time, you see me? And we have a chocha right here.
Yeah.
Right here we have a chocha, right
New
here.
ingredients.
We have everything, man. And you know what we have, you know what we not left? We not left the okra.
Yeah.
They want to for the big boys.
Always.
Big boys okra them, yeah. Yeah, man. Believe no, man. Girl, them say somehow no back weak pussy hole. No back weak a be a tigers and chips on ya. Where is that, man? Looking at it, oh.
Good day for that, sir.
Aja, you see cow skin?
We have the cow skin.
Yeah.
Yes.
We
We got that okra.
We have the okra.
Yeah.
We cut some long, you know,
Okra.
cause it's for the big boys.
Yes.
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 And the cornmeal dumpling.
We got cornmeal
It cooked till it bust.
Boy, it's beautiful there.
What
Show the carrot.
Pussy hole looking at man. And we have cash up. We have carrot.
Yes, we have carrot.
Yeah,
there.
man.
Show them the peas.
Aja.
We have also red peas.
We have plantain.
We have ripe plantain right there.
Yes.
We got pumpkin.
We have pumpkin. Yes.
Yeah.
That give it
We
that
have
rich
yam.
color,
We
bro.
have cocoa.
Yeah.
Show the
And we
master
have
chef.
peanut in it.
Yeah.
Master
Peanut
chef.
in
That's
it
the
also.
master chef right there.
Yeah.
Put that in TikTok,
Any
bro.
girl more
Yeah.
boy, yo.
Any girl
more
more.
one of them, yeah, yo, pussy boss like
Boss. Boss.
I go cook down and now me have a mixed vegetable. Me have me pepper, me sweet pepper, me onion, me scallion, me tomato. And when I say I so much milk with granddad, I can't take too much of this smoke. I throw some more of my carrot in there. Me have a mixed vegetable, but I get some more of my carrot and put in the seed there, guys. Very delicious, very creative, and very nice. And over here, this is the rice. I don't cook enough today.